Question 5. Yasmin is at her local library. Each person is allowed to borrow 7 books. She has 5 books on loan at home. How many can she borrow today? This problem is about Yasmin taking books out of her library. She's allowed to borrow a total of 7 books. That's the whole in black. One of the parts are the books that she's keeping at home so she can still read. I will do that in blue. The other are the books that she's allowed to get out today, and I will do that in green. Yasmin is at her local library. Each person is allowed to borrow 7 books. The whole is 7. She has 5 books on loan at home. This is a part we know. She's got 5 books at home. There's my 5 books at home. How many can she borrow today? The number that she can borrow today is unknown. That's the part we want to find. I know the whole and I know one part. I want to find out the other part. So I'm going to use this plan of whole subtract part equals part. The whole of 7, subtract the part I know of 5, will give me the part I don't know. 7 subtract 5 equals 2. I can check that she's allowed to borrow 2 by arranging my cube saws. I can see without counting. 5 books at home. I can see that 5 without counting. And these are the 2 that she is going to take out today. And I know that 5 and 2 is 7. The last thing I need to check is the question. I go to the question mark. How many can she borrow today? Today, she can borrow 2 books. I also could have used the plan of part add part equals whole. The part I know of the number of books at home, which is 5, add the unknown part, which is the number she's allowed to borrow, equals the whole of 7. 5 add 2 equals 7. So I still get the answer of 2 books that she can borrow today.